I really like that is California as well as
Mhm.
Florida.
So completely opposite sides. One is east, one is west.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
One has hurricanes, one has earthquakes. Which one would you rather?
I,
Hi, how are you?
yeah, I'm fine. And you?
I'm great, thank you. My name's Andrea. I'm from England. Just to let you know, I think there's a slight problem with your sound, and I think there might be a time delay in the sound.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, just be aware that there is a time delay. Okay, it's just a slight time delay. And also just to let you know, I am waiting for a reservation. I am
Okay,
waiting for a reservation, so I won't be able to speak to you for very long at all.
it's okay.
Uh,
Don't. It's okay.
I will let you know when my reservation is calling, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Indrajit and I am from India and I am an engineering student in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering
Mhm.
and I want to improve my spoken English skill. That's why I switched to Cambly.
Okay, so do you mind if I close this lesson down? Because there's no way I can do the lesson with you because I can't. Yeah, I'm going
Yeah,
to close this down because it's taking
yeah,
up a lot of the screen.
yeah, sure.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about your family, just a little bit.
Yeah, I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt and with also grandmother.
Do you have any cousins that you live with as well?
Yeah, I have own elder brother who
Hmm.
stays outside of this state and
Hmm.
does a government job.
Okay,
Yeah. And who do you live with?
I live by myself.
Wow, great.
Yes, it is the best thing anyone can do is to live by
Yeah,
themselves.
exactly,
A
exactly.
lot of freedom, yes. So have you ever traveled to any other countries before coronavirus, obviously?
No, 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 no. I never visited any other places.
So where would be your dream destination?
Yeah, my destination is UK as well as USA.
So I'm obviously in the UK, but in the USA, what states would you really like to visit?
I really like that is California as well as
Mhm.
Florida.
So completely opposite sides. One is east, one is west.
Yeah, yeah,
One
exactly.
one has hurricanes, one has earthquakes. Which one would you rather?
I preferably most California
California. Why?
because it you know that it is very smart city and they are very people very busy and they are very friendly. I think so.
And how are you coming to this conclusion? Is it from movies? Is it from TV shows? Stuff that you've read on the internet?
Yeah, if I get a job from there, then I have to go for that in my category electronics and communication engineering.
So would you like to have a holiday in California or would you like to live there?
I wanna visit there for holidays, but if I get a chance to settle there, so why not?
Yeah. Do you have any family members that live abroad?
No.
That's a shame because if you had a family member that lived in California, you could go and visit and see if it's the kind of place that you would like
Yeah,
to visit, right?
exactly. It is very easier way. It makes easy to.
It would make your life a bit easier rather than I guess having to try out different hotels and that kind of thing as well.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Do you think if you lived in California, would you be able to do you have a fear of earthquakes? Have you ever experienced an earthquake before?
Yeah, little bit in my hometown.
Okay, when you say a little bit, what kind of magnitude are we talking about?
The magnitude is almost 7.
That's not a little bit, that's a lot.
Yeah, but I feel that little bit because when it is happening, then I just shivering from a while. But I think that my pressure is low or something else, but it's not. It is the earthquake.
Yeah, it would be very difficult to miss a 7 point something magnitude earthquake.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's very noticeable. I heard that I think last month or the month before in June or July, there was a 7.2 or a 7.4
Wow,
magnitude earthquake
that is very
in the
huge.
ocean in near New Zealand, just off the coast of New Zealand. Um,
Okay.
and it measured, I think, 7.2 or 7.4, and they were waiting to see if the scientists were saying to expect a tsunami, big wave.
Oh,
But I don't think that warning ever came. I think they were okay. Um, but that's scary. I've experienced earthquakes before, but not that bad. Not that bad. Not
yeah.
probably 3 point something, which is nothing compared to 7, 8, and 9. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks to God.
Yes. Do you think you would deal well with living in California if even if they had quite regular earthquakes?
No, 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 no,
You don't think you'd be able to deal with it?
no, no.
What about Florida and its hurricanes? Excuse me.
I have no idea about that.
Would you rather live in a place where you'd be at risk of an earthquake or a hurricane?
I place earthquake, not
Real
hurricane. Hurricane is a stormy, is a big storm, right?
big storm, hurricane or cyclone. So you have hurricane is the same as a cyclone and also the same as a typhoon, but they're just given different names depending on where they happen in the world. So heavy wind, very heavy rain, flooding. Yeah, so you'd rather experience an earthquake rather than a hurricane, correct?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Why?
Because I feel the earthquake. That I have already told that I feel the earthquake, but I never face the hurricane or
Ah, so it's
cyclone.
a fear of the unknown for you. It's a fear of the
Yeah,
unknown. You've experienced one,
yeah,
but not the other. Well, I'm
yeah.
so sorry. I have to go now because my reservation calling.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You take care. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.